People's lives have been lost and livelihoods, frankly, have been lost in this pandemic. It's really taken so much from us in many different ways.
Yes, but in every challenging situation, it is important to try to look for the positive. People are spending more time with their families, sharing more time outside, and looking at this live picture from First Ward Park, enjoying the cleanest air that Charlotte has had in years. This is a live picture from our meteorologist, Tony Sadiku. Tony, for weeks now, we know you've been searching for some special data from NASA. It shows just how clean our air has gotten.
Yeah, Eric, it's the best visual that we've seen so far, and it really helps to compare the impact that our behavior is having on the air quality. Now, new data from NASA is showing how things such as, staying home, fewer cars on the road, and even hearing fewer airplanes hovering overhead is all making a difference in our health. NASA releasing this image showing what air pollution levels typically look like over the Carolinas from mid-March to mid-April. Then what it looked like this year. The change is incredible. The data looked at nitrogen dioxide pollution specifically, the byproduct of our reality just 2 months ago. More cars on the road and more air travel. Just look at this chart we built from NCDOT data. The top line shows traffic on our busiest roads. Notice after stay-at-home orders went into effect, traffic volume dropped significantly and has stayed low ever since. On top of that, American Airlines says this month they've averaged 273 departure flights a day from Charlotte Douglas, about 400 flights less than last year.
Nitrogen dioxide and other oxides of nitrogen are not great to breathe into the lungs, and they exacerbate other respiratory health issues,
including COVID-19. A Harvard study earlier this month revealed people exposed to poor air quality are more likely to experience worse health outcomes from the coronavirus. Calvin Capini with Clean Air Carolina says that's true in our communities as well.
Historic neighborhoods on the north and west side are at greater risk to things like COVID-19 because of their greater exposure to existing air pollution.
So limiting further air pollution is a plus. North Carolina tracks pollution from ozone, formed by atmospheric reactions to nitrogen dioxide. This month we had 4 code yellow, or moderate days with more unhealthy air, compared to 12 last year. But Capini says just because we're doing better now doesn't mean the benefits will be permanent.
There's no reason to believe that when vehicle miles traveled increases again and the businesses turn back on, the air pollution won't just come right back with it.
Unless we take something away from this moment of cleaner, fresher air to consider how our actions affect the air we breathe.
I would like us to see the air pollution that we see today lower, beautiful, clean, clear, less risky to students and all of us, stay as long as possible, and that we use this as actually an inspiration point for the future.
Now I want to bring in Chief Meteorologist Steve Udelson, because Steve, we track air pollution levels in our community every day, and Steve, just like we saw this dip, we could also see a rebound.
Yeah, unfortunately, Tony, that's the case. We have to remember the wind is part of an invisible river of air in our atmosphere, and it moves in a hurry. Take a look at this map. This is a look at the jet stream that steers storms, the wind at about 20,000 feet. So particles like pollutants that come from car exhaust, they move just as quickly, up to about 150 miles an hour. And that means it could take only a couple of days for particles like that to go from coast to coast. So if the traffic backs up, as it probably will, and factories reopen, unfortunately, the air pollution could be just about as bad as where we started, Tony.
Yeah, that's the question, right, Steve? Will traffic rebound to what it was before? The answer may actually be no. In a study done by Gartner of 74 CFOs, they talked about how they expect that a lot of the on-site employees, they may actually prefer to make them remote after this COVID-19 pandemic. They cited things like it's cheaper, also morale could be a factor as well. But either way, Steve, it looks like at the very least we are going to see the impact from this last in our environment and in our workplace. Steve.